Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is good afternoon. Hi, it's been a long time since I upload videos. My accent is very bad. But hey, I'm doing a tutorial this time. Let's get going. Add some white background, add some text, change the font to robot to bold italic to get that aesthetic feeling. Make it blue or whatever you want. Use in animation and tap enter slide right or whatever you want. Move the text at the top center and make it almost small. Add some photo in the layer for best results. Add some Luffy and or vaporwave photo. Send the photo to back. Also use enter slide right to or whatever you want. Add another text that says play, settings, and how to play. And make the distance between the text is far but not too far. I don't know what I say. But if you want, you could choose another word. Change the font to regular italic. Always use italic fonts to get that aesthetic vaporwave feeling, you know? Also use another enter slide right. Use the digital crash effect to get the TV or video game feeling. It also matches with the aesthetic of the photo. Make sure the strength is 10. Get it? Add a heavy rain sound effect just to get some of that natural feeling, in my opinion. And also use the lo-fi cassette tape sound, but I don't have it, so I'll use car handbrake off in the car engine sound effects. If you want to, add some lo-fi music. Lo-fi, I don't know what to say. Also remember to set off the audio fade out setting and export it. Now your aesthetic video game video is finished. Let's see the result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Also, that photo is my album art for my upcoming EP. I added a color filter just to make it different. Also, have a great day and goodbye.